we're here down on the street right beside the new Port Frank's cell tower. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be walking around this neighborhood just down the street to show you what the before and after is. So right now, my meter goes down to 3.3. And you can see that the radiation levels, obviously the tower's not on. And just so you know, it's March 14th, 2013. And it's just, I don't know, sometime between 4 and 5 p.m. I think it says that on the camera, actually. So here we are, there's the street. And we're just going to walk down the street so you can see what the levels are. So we all know where we are. And, you know, I'm going to turn this thing around a bit, but it's basically staying at 3.3, 3.4. Unless we decide to walk by a house that has Wi-Fi or cordless phone, but so far we're pretty good. And here's the tower. You can see it. You can see it's obviously not on. Well, and you can see also that they're probably fixing it up to go on. So there's a bunch of vehicles down there. You'll try this. And here's the actual tower, looking just horrendous in this poor neighborhood. We don't even want it. And right beside, here's the company that decided to have this tower put on their property. Unfortunately, they didn't change their mind. And right beside it's a conservation area, which is right beside the tower. And again, sadly, there's a house right there who didn't lease it, who has to live right beside it. And of course, the whole this side of the street here, full of houses. You can hear somebody's Wi-Fi. Can't tell you for sure what house that's coming from. But we'll be able to compare this afterwards. This is where we are on the street. And somebody's cordless phone. It's actually pretty high on their Wi-Fi, so not as high as it's going to be with the new cell tower, obviously. And it's also something you can turn off, which you can't with the cell tower either. So